Do you have smeary windows when the car goes out on the lot? Well, this is probably one of the reasons why. Today's tech tip is dressing the outside and doing windows last, and the reason why. There's a couple different ways that people do the plastics and moldings on the outside of vehicles. One of them is they spray the dressing like that, and then they wipe. I prefer to spray the rag and then wipe the windows, the plastic and the moldings with the dressing that's in the rag, so you don't have all the overspray. That is why you do your windows last. If you do them first, do your dressing, people pull that out in the lot, and then the windows are all smeary. There, all the smudges are gone the way it should be. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for further videos. See you next Friday. Happy hour.